Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Alejandro. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the piano riff to Mac Miller's Small World, and I'm going to do it in such a way that I'll show you move by move, so when you break it down, you can put it together quickly, and these are great practice techniques. Before we do anything, I just want to shout out Chauncey Harris. Yes, thank you so much. I appreciate you suggesting this tune. I never heard about it before, and I never would have been exposed to Mac Miller, so thank you. I think you're going to really enjoy this tutorial today. And anybody else who's out there watching right now, if there's a piano riff that you want to learn, please put it in the comments, and if I can do it, I'll get to it. I've got an Instagram page coming out right now, so check it out in the description. I've got some bonus content that if you like Mac Miller, you definitely can like what I'm doing over there. And you can also follow me on Reddit, where I post a lot of my jazz lecture kind of stuff. So check me out. Piano Perfect is growing, and I want you to be a part of it too. So click subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get it going. Okay, here's your first move. First move goes like this. Okay, and that's what we want to practice first, okay? Now, there's your first chord. I got 2 notes in the right hand, 2 notes in the left hand. And then when you get to the next chord, left hand moves, right hand stays. Okay? You might even want to practice just the left hand coming down in these sevenths. Just like that, okay? It's kind of a funky shape to get under your hand, but once you do, it'll feel natural. So, the right hand, same, and then you go there, okay? And I definitely would have your third finger on that B flat. And if that's all you get of this video, it's a success. Right? Because you already have a groove already. Okay, so the next part is 3 quick stabs. Okay, it goes like this. Okay, they're all really short. It's your first one. I'm using 2 notes in the right hand. Again, 2 notes in the right hand, 1 in the left, and then this one. Right, they're jazzy chords. Okay, now you want to practice them by themselves, just those 3 hits to get them under your fingers, but also you want to practice connecting back to the first chord, all right? So not just this, but also, right, and then you go about your business again, and now you're going to go on to the next part. Okay, it's a little more complicated. I'll do it again slow. Okay, so you have those 2 quick attacks. You know those, but you want to slur that 4th finger to the pinky. Ah, ah, da, ah, dee, da. Now, here's the next move. That's what I would practice next. Now, these are a lot of complicated moves, so at any time you might just want to go back to the beginning and just see if you can do the first 3 or 4 moves, right? Because sometimes you'll get to move 5 or 6, and you'll say, what happened to move 2? Right? So make sure that as you're practicing, you go back, make sure that you remember this stuff. Now, here's the next move. Goes. Okay, this one you have to use a lot of good right hand finger technique, okay? No crossing over, just stretching those fingers, okay? And here's the second to last move. Isn't that nice? Okay, I'll do that move again. Okay, right again, it uses this crossover technique in the right hand. I love that technique. Okay, and then... Okay, and that brings you back to the full circle. All right, so let's review everything that we did together. Here's the first move, 3, it goes. First move, your second move, transition, messy transition, here comes. Second last move. And that's the whole thing. Ooh. Okay, once you want to get out of it, okay? Like that, okay? Now, while you're holding this the pedal, now you can pedal and you have this neat little grip, right? The right hand grips this, C sharp, F, that killed me, this really should be D flat, and B flat there, like that, okay? And then you can just hold the pedal, repeat that up an octave, and then you get to play that high B flat, like that. You can't really see my face, but, so yeah. Something like that, okay? That's the whole riff.